One of the major goals of the Healthy Brain and Child Development Study, HBCD, is to be able to chart the development of brain structure and also brain activity over the first years of life.
It can help us identify problems for some children before they start. Brain development during infancy is very rapid. It happens very quickly.
One of the things that we've been able to do is make this a community engaged project. We connect with clinics and hospitals where people come for their birthing experiences, etc.
The HBCD study is really important because we're really getting an opportunity to look at infants and things that impact their brain development and their social development.
I'm really excited about this research because it's combining different areas of research and applied to programs that children and families will be able to benefit from.
It is one of the first of its kind to have all different aspects of child's development, including brain imaging, EEG, and behavioral assessments in such a large number of participants.
So some of the public health implications of research from the HBCD study, the focus is on brain development and actually taking pictures of the brain, recording brain activity with an MRI to learn more about brain development.
We measure the baby's electrical signals while they're watching a video, while they're listening to sounds, while they're looking at checkerboards, and while they are looking at faces.
The interactive child assessments start at a later in-person visits when the child turns 3 months of age. We invite the parents and the children to engage in different sets of tasks. They think it's a little fun task they can do with their parent.
There's 2 types of wearable sensors that we use. The sensor is just like wearing a sock. It goes into a little leg warmer that goes onto your baby's leg. The Gabby is our heart rate sensor. It is a little band that goes on the upper arm area in between the elbow and the shoulder.
And what the Healthy Brain and Child Development Study is trying to get at is a growth chart for the developing human brain. And so by looking at the brain, we can figure out a little bit more about their behavior, why they behave the way they do.
By collecting this data, we're really going to get some more information about how that has impacted children over time.
We're not just a study, we are a place where you can get resources as well. 50% of our families have to experience some kind of adversity.
Being resilient is to strive for positive outcomes despite of the experience of early life adversity.
The earlier you intervene, the better the outcomes. And we can work with those children early.
So your voice will be heard, but I want you to know that who you are as an individual will not be shared. We appreciate you. We're grateful to you. We couldn't do it without you. You're the one who's driving this effort.